Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we can do about factorization. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative e to the power of negative t. Because we don't have the negative side, so I will put the negative go to the left. This one we change by u. This one we change by u squared. This one we change by u squared. This one we change by u. And this one with dt we change by negative du. So negative will change the sign of this one. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put a over 3 minus u. And the next one, that is about bu plus c over 4 plus u squared. Because we have the power 2, so in here we need to reduce the power by number 1, so we have u, and later that we reduce u go to number 0, and we have c. Now we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about 4 plus u squared. About this one, it is missing about 3 minus u. So I will put this one going here. Now we need to expand this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of u. About u squared, we have a minus b. About u, we have 3b minus c. About the numbers, we have 4a plus 3c. Now we need to compare coefficients. About u squared, we have negative number 2, so a minus b equals to negative number 2. About u, that is about negative number 1, so negative number 1 equals to 3b minus c. About the numbers, we have 4a plus 3c equals to negative number 5. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of ABC. So a equals to negative number 2, b equals to number 0, and c equals to positive number 1. And now we put a, b, c goal here. So a equals to negative number 2, b equals to number 0, c equals to number 1. And now we have like this. And now we have the final answer. So about u, that is about e to the power of negative t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.